Baby ni Mamang. Come, come. We have cat. Here and away. Come ni Mamang. Come. Good morning. I just wait. Good morning. Good morning sa baby ni Mamang. What? Oh, me, nung baby ni Mamang. Where you go? Where you go? Where you go? Meow, Ming. Ming, come here. Come. Ming namo, Ming namo, Ming namo. Come, come, come. You want to play? You want to play, King? He want to play. You want to play? Oh, baby cat is. You want to play? Come, come on, play. Go. You want to play? You want to play? You want to play? You want to play ang baby nato? Ang baby nato na baby Ming Ming. Ay, you baby Ming Ming. Baby Ming Ming namo na. Good morning. Now it's 1. It's morning. The time is 4 a.m. And ang baby na ko is nag-wake up siya. Charot. He wake up like this time. So, wala kaming magawa sa buhay namin. Nak, matagak ka, nak. Kali ang ato ang Ming Ming. Kay he want to play. Come here, Hina. Ay, ala, don't get our phone. Because we make video for tonight. Look ang atong Ming Ming, he plays, ha? He plays his own. I'm still sleepy, but I cannot sleep because my son is wake up. He's waking up. Sorry, Ming Ming. Sorry, what you play? What you play? Huh? What play ang Ming Ming namo? Oh, she's Ming Ming na namo. Ay, don't kuan. Hey, don't broke my charger. That's my charger. Don't broke. Oh, you play my charger. Bismillah, bismillah ang Ming Ming namo nagplay og charger. Don't come sa Ming Ming na to kay he play. Maybe he bite you. Look the charger. He bite the Ming Ming. Hey, Ming Ming! Ming, mas daot ng charger na ako. Wala ko ipalit. Wala ko ipalit ba? Hey, Ming! 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 Madaot ng charger na ako ba? Wala ko ipalit. Ming! Hey! No! Oy! Don't play my charger. We broke ang charger. Dali na! Come here! Ay, shishi. Langga na ako. Kahapon pala gusto kong pumunta sana kay Umar, yung bata ni Julie, nag-birthday ng 1 taon. Makikikain sana ako dun kasi nga wala akong grocery, maraming pagkain. Dagdag ko sana sa taba ko, marami silang handa. Sayang, hindi ako nakapunta kasi wala akong masakyan papunta doon. Hindi ako nakapunta doon sa birthday ni Umar. Sayang, maraming pagkain doon. Nag-ihaw sila ng isda. Tagal na akong hindi nakakain ng inihaw na isda. At saka naghihirap ako dito. Nagtitipid ako ng pagkain. Kasi nga wala akong trabaho. Nakikikain na lang ako minsan. Hirap ng buhay. Pero mataba pa rin ako. Kahit lagi ako nakikikain. Diba? Noon hindi naman ako patay gutom noon eh. Hindi ako nakikikain kasi nahihiya ako. Pero nakakakain naman ako. Meron akong mga pagkain. Pero hindi ako mataba. Ngayon na pulubi ako at saka wala akong trabaho, wala akong kita, wala akong income at saka palagi na lang ako nakikikain. Mataba na noon ako. Ay, Diyos ka. Kadang mga kuan ra ba ka nang mga unra kag dili mo ha. Yun pala yun, nakakataba pala yung nakikikain ka lagi. Kung wala kang gastos kasi nakikikain ka, nakakataba pala yun. Kay dati kasi ako palagi bumibili ng pagkain. Hindi naman ako mataba. Eh ngayon na nakikikain ako palagi. Kalaki ng mukha ko. Ang taba-taba ko. Meng! You too much play for me, ha? Too much play na because I put Hua in the bathroom, so he poop in the bathroom, or he like that, so I close the bathroom because the owner of her she said you put in the bathroom one night the cat, so the cat is he poop in the bathroom and ball siya the ball jingle in the bathroom, mapi mag not poop anywhere like that. Nahihirapan ako mag focus sa English or ganun kasi nahahaluan ng Arabic. Mas kabisado ko yung Arabic kunti. Aray ko, nak, what happened sa ato ang cat? He play my hair. Bait na yung baby ko ngayon. Minsan pa sa wide. Sobra. Ay, makulit lagi ang mingming namin ngayon kasi nakalabas ka sa CR. Ay, Ming, mabuslot nang sinina na ako. Ming, wala ba ako ipalit? Kabalo kang kubre ko. Yeah, I don't know like my life. Why I'm too much poor? Why I'm poor? Why I don't have money? Because I don't have work. Just I'm take care of the dangas. Because of my dangas. I cannot work. I cannot live anywhere for him because he too much trouble. And he is energetic to go there, go up, go tahad, go down, go somewhere. He not scared to going up, you know. Nak, pasaway nga bata ni mamang. I want he big na already, so he work and I will get his salary. I will enjoy my life. Nak, you know, go to work and give me your money. I want to enjoy my life. Oh my God, I'm too much kuan. I think I can go there yesterday in the birthday of Umer because they have a lot of foods there, and I want to eat also the cake and the fish na inihaw, grilled fish yun. It's yummy and I miss to eat. Ang hirap pala mag-vlog, no, yung magsasalita ka nga diretso. Kaya believe ako sa mga vlogger, diretso sila magsasalita. Ako naman paputol-putol kasi hindi ko kabisado yung mga sasabihin ko. Napi akong dangas nga. Diyos ko. Nak, i-close agad atong door, nak. You know, my son now is sway my shagala. He is my shagala sway. Because I asked something, yala, taali,